Honda's removable second-row center seat maximizes seating when in place and ease of access when removed. With the second-row center seat in its standard position, you can seat 3 across. With it folded, second-row passengers can use the seat back as an armrest or store their drinks in the integrated cup holders. And with the seat removed, you can still seat 2 in the second-row seat and have easy access to the third row. To remove the second-row center seat, start by storing the seat belt. Next, retract the seat belt into its ceiling storage spot. Then, pull up the seat belt angle strap to lower the seat back. Pull up the lock release strap, then grab the driver's side handle and lift the rear of the seat. After releasing, pull the seat back slightly, then pivot the seat upward to unhook the seat from the floor. To store the seat, start by removing the cargo floor lid. Then, take the seat storage strap out of the underfloor storage area. Next, secure the strap hook to the passenger side anchor to keep it out of the way. Store the second-row center seat in the underfloor storage area with the cup holders facing up and the headrest facing the driver's side. Secure the strap hook to the driver's side anchor. Store the cargo dividers, then replace the cargo floor lid. To install the seat, begin by clearing the floor area where the seat will be positioned. Insert the front hooks into the front strikers. Before lowering the seat, confirm both front hooks are fully inserted into the front strikers. Let the seat drop and lock to the rear floor strikers. Check the indicator on the front of the seat base. If the indicator is red, remove the seat and then reinstall. To learn more about the features offered on your Honda, visit hondahelp.ca.